Hi, welcome back. Here's how to change the drain pump impeller on a Hotpoint tumble dryer. These seem to be a fairly generic pump unit. There's a float switch and a pump, and just remove the housing from the pump impeller unit, and you'll see there's the old impeller there. It's broken, so just order a new one online. They're only less than €10 to buy, and it just pops on like so, and really does just click in like that, and then just snap the housing back into position. Just be careful not to break the little plastic tags. It is difficult to get them all off, but with a very small screwdriver you can gently work away at each side, and the housing will eventually pop off. Just beware that there is a guide here that can break, so just be very gentle with it. So that just snaps on, and then there are the wires from the controller. That one goes in there like so, and then there's the float switch. The wire goes on there, and then this housing here goes on top, and the whole unit just clips back in to the box there. So here's the top of the housing fitted, and the wires coming through the back there, and literally just notice the position of the tags. It's very easy to snap them when disassembling it, and it literally just pops back in to position. So that's in, and those tags will snap in like so, and there's the hose pipe here from the condensate container, and also there's the actual drain hose. This one actually drains to waste, so that pipe will go back down to the waste, and that's pretty much it. Very easy job, very quick fix. Obviously make sure the tumble dryer is unplugged first, but it should only take a maximum of 10 minutes to do. Thanks for watching. Goodbye now.